Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today we are going to do a flip through of our Folio Fun journal. Now, I'm hoping you made one with me or even just made the folios each month. Through 2025, each month I offered you a freebie to make a folio. Mine, I just happened to do a tab-binded little journal with mine. The closure, I'm just using this really soft, it's kind of a peachy orange color. I thought it went really good with January's folio color. Not so much with December's, but that's okay. It's not going to go with everything. So I've just wrapped that around twice, so it'll be easy to change if I change my mind. So start off with January. And I used usually the month or the number in each of them. We've got a little tuck spot here, some cards there, and then a large tag. I'm not going to take everything out of the pockets, and one there. Now each month I did use a Velcro dot for a closure. Then we have February's. We did the little collage there. I added a little bit of bling there. Love the topper on this. And put that in there. And then this one's got just a little flip there. This comes out. And then a tag into there. Close that up. And then we have March. March was a bit of a sewing theme. So we've got a tag here that's got a pocket in it with some of the extra goodies. There was really no rhyme or reason to what kind of theme or color I did each month. There was a few months that I did get suggestions. And this one here, we actually made a little tiny journal for in there, which I think that turned out really cute. Can we get it in there? There we go. And then April. We do have a pocket here, which nothing is in it at the moment. We got an envelope there with a card in it. And then this unties. And there is a couple of pockets and stuff. And a couple of tags there. Tie this closed. At this point of showing you this, I have no ideas what I'm doing for 2026. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Okay. April. Then we got May. I added a little bow that I had made there. A little bit of eyelash trim. And this has two little flip out things here for writing on. And then 3 pockets with a whole bunch of little goodies in each of them. June. Some big long tags. I used some of this little bits of purple lace stuff that I had. Oh yeah, and then this opens up like this and like this, so then it has some writing space there. And I love these Velcro because you don't really see them. Like, you see them, but they don't like jump out at you. So there's June, July, Love the belly band. Love how it worked out. And then I had these really fancy blingy things, so I added some of those because they just went so good with these colors. I've had those for a long, long time. Found them a long time ago. I'd love to find some more of them. And then July, August. Daisies, lots of daisies. Love daisies. And I just made little folding cards for there. Give you a little extra space. There's one in there as well. And then this opens up. So you have lots of writing space in there. And then you have a big tag at the back. September's hummingbirds. Now a few of these themes were suggested by people, and I'm sorry I didn't write it down on who suggested the different themes. So I really appreciate all the suggestions and ideas and help on these things. I added this trim on here because it just went so nice. So there's September's. October's was a bit of a fall theme and sunflowers. Two people actually suggested though, like a fall leaves and sunflowers, so I kind of combined them. Got a couple skinny pockets there, a big tag in the middle, and a couple more there with some collaging of the goodies. November was postage. So lots of stamps, lots of little goodies. This is a little envelope. So lots of postage stamps. And then December's. Reds and pinks. And kind of Christmassy, kind of not. If you added a few of your own things, you could get it not so Christmassy. Love the kids there. I think they turned out really, really cute. And just a little collage on the back. I didn't want it too plain. So there is our Folio Fun for 2025. These 12 kits are available on Ko-fi or on my blog. I think they're all on the blog. If they're not, by the time you see this, they will be, because I'll make sure that I get them all up there. Easy to find. And I love seeing what you've done with your folio little kit. So post a picture on Facebook and everybody can see it then. This has been a really fun project. As for 2026, I do not know what I'm doing yet, but I'll come up with something. I do plan on doing a monthly freebie little mini kit again. And any ideas are greatly appreciated. So check out all the links below. Check out the playlist for this, as well as the playlist for the freebies that I've offered in other years. This, I think, is my 6th year of doing a monthly freebie, as well as other freebies I do. So check out the blog. There's tons of freebies on the blog and lots of freebies on Ko-fi as well. So do go and check those places out. And come and visit me on Facebook and like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. It really, really does help a small YouTube channel like mine to grow. And we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.